Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. If you are having any query, you can write in my YouTube channel comment box or you can ask in WebEx class also. Let's start. Welcome back student in the new tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss algorithms and flowchart. This is your chapter number 8, part 1. First of all, student, you should know that what is algorithm. Algorithm is the step-by-step instructions written in simple English to solve any problem. Actually, we all follow algorithm in our day-to-day life also. Okay, but we are not aware about it. Let's take an example from our daily life. Like if you have to pack your bag, so you have to follow some steps. For example, you will open your bag, then take out your diary, check your timetable for the next day, take out the books from the bag which are not required. Pick the required books and notebooks from your bookshelf, put them in the bag, check your pencil box and then close the bag. So you have to follow all steps in a sequence. Okay, to solve a small problem of our day-to-day or life also we have to follow some steps. So now we will discuss that how we can follow the steps in solving the computer problems, okay, or programming related problems. For example, you have to write an algorithm to add any two numbers. So you have to follow some steps. Like step 1, start. Always remember, in algorithm, the first step will be always start and the last step will be stop. So step 1, start. Then after that, step 2, take two numbers. Then add two numbers. Step 4, print the result. Print doesn't mean that you will take paper print out. Okay. No, it means that result will display. And then stop. Okay. So just to add two numbers, we have to follow these steps. The steps can be different also. Like if one person is writing step, it can be very or different from the other person. Now student, we will discuss about flow chart. Okay, after algorithm, the next step is flow chart. So the flow chart is a diagrammatic or we can say pictorial representation of a problem solving process algorithm. Okay, whatever algorithm is there, on the basis of this we can prepare a flow chart. So the steps written in an algorithm can be represented diagrammatically in a flow chart. It shows the sequence of steps or flow of the program in the logical order to solve a problem. It charts the flow of a program. So we will take the same example, flow chart for adding two numbers. Now only in the previous slide we have seen that how to write algorithm. Now we will see how to make a flow chart. Student, you can see some symbols are there and in these symbols we have written something. So the symbols are very important. In next slide I will discuss about this. So you can see the first step is always start. So in this also, in this oval shape we will write start. Second, input number 1, number 2. You can write separately also or you can write in the same box also. Then sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, print sum and then end. So this is a simple flow chart to show that how we can add two numbers. I hope it is clear to you. Now student, I will show you the symbols which we use in a flow chart. Okay, the first one is start and end. Start and end. You can see the symbol. This is called oval or we can say rounded rectangle also. It is used to represent start and end of the flow chart. The second one is arrow. Arrow used for connection or used to indicate the flow of control by connecting the different symbols. Third one is input and output. This is the parallelogram shape. Okay, used for input and output information. Then after this process, the process is the rectangle box used to represent or we can say used for processing the arithmetic operation. And then there is a decision box also. Decision box is used to check a condition where there are two options, true or false. Okay, used for branching or decision making. One more box is also there, which is called connector. It is in circle shape, used to join different flow lines of the same flow chart. When we have to connect the flow chart, so we can use connector. Now student, in the next slide we will discuss the advantages of general rules of flow charting. Okay, there should be some rules which we have to follow. So the first one is all boxes of the flow chart are connected with arrow. It should be connected with arrow, not by a single line or simple line. Flow chart should have only one entry and one exit point. It means start and end. Generally, a flow chart will flow from top to bottom. Okay, it means from up to down. Connectors are used to connect breaks in the flow chart. So these are some general rules which you have to keep in mind while making a flow chart. So hope student you understood the today's topic properly. So just go through it in your computer book. Everything is there. Still, if you face any problem, you can ask in the WebEx class, or you can write comment in comment box also of my YouTube channel. Clear? So take care. Goodbye. We will meet in next video.